For today's Cricut Christmas craft, I am going to be designing this sweater here that I'm going to be wearing to my work's Christmas holiday lunch. This material here is a blend of cotton and also polyester. So off camera, I'm going to go ahead and jump into Cricut Design Space to customize my design and also cut it out, and then I will weed it out after. My design is all cut, so I'm going to go ahead and start to weed it out. All right, so I have my heat press all ready and set to go. I have it set for 315 degrees, and I'm going to be pressing my shirt for 30 seconds. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and run my limp brush over the section here that I'm going to be placing my design on, because you want to make sure that we pick up all the fibers that might be here on the shirt. All right, so that's done. So now I'm going to go ahead and preset the section here just to kind of pull out any moisture that might be in the shirt in that area there. Okay, so since my design is a little bit big, I will definitely have to press it into different sections here. So what I'm thinking of doing is kind of placing my design here, and I sometimes just like to, honestly, I just kind of like to eyeball it here, but I do have my measuring tape just to check out from the armpit how much space I have there. So it's about 5.5 on that side and about 5. So let me just actually move it over just a titch bit over here. So over here is about 5 and about 5 there. Okay, perfect. Okay, and I do also have a pressing mat here at the behind my shirt. All right, so I'm going to go ahead again and press it in 2 sections, and then I'll flip it over and press it for 15 seconds. All right, so now that it's all done, I'm going to have it set aside for a couple of minutes to cool down, because it is cool appeal for the liner. All right, so it is cool to the touch for the liner right now. So I'm just going to go ahead and start peeling off from the side. What I'm doing, I'm just monitoring just to see if I do see any of the HTV lifting up, but so far looks like I got a really great peel. I think this design is so cute with all the different styles of the different Christmas trees, and I love the font. I will ensure to link this particular design in the description box below. All right, so that is my sweater for today. I hope you liked today's video. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I will catch you on my next video for the Cricut Christmas Craft series. Take care, everyone. Bye.